Hello everyone. Today we will look at how the Tableau split functionality works quickly. We'll show you how it has been done. So if you look at the product ID column in the Superstore dataset under order section, you can see that product ID has been formed with a concatenation of three components, and the concatenating value is the hyphen, right? And many times you will have to separate these values and use it separately for your visualization. Let's see how do we split it quickly onto this. Let's go to a new sheet and then let's pull the product ID here, right? You can see the members added here, right? And then you can see that the three segments are there. How do you split it very quickly? So what you can do, you can click on the product ID and go to transform and then go to split. Now you can see that by default it is split into three components, and Tableau understand that that is a common splitting factor of hyphen there, and that's how it is able to split it without giving any instruction of it. Now let's see a different customization to that. Let's delete these three values out of it, and then if you go to transform again, you can see a custom split option, and there you can mention what is the splitting separator, and then if you want to get the last two columns with that splitting component, you can do that. You click on OK, then you can see two split have come because you asked for two splits, and then if you pull it out, you can see that the last two components of the product ID has been separated into two different columns. This is how you do the splitting very easily in Tableau. Thank you for watching.